Right. Feta cheese and tomatoes as an appetizer. From the World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're going to be doing a feta cheese recipe. Really easy. Use this as an appetizer. So here we got our feta cheese. We got some olive oil. Got some cut up garlic, chili pepper, tomatoes, black pepper. Then we have some parsley and some French bread. World Famous Foods. Put a little bit of olive oil here. Put this around a little bit there. Put that cheese in here. Okay. Put our tomatoes in here. Different colors, you know, kind of color it up a little bit. Some cloves here. You guys can use how much you want. This is not really any type of measuring, just put the stuff in there. Chili pepper. Put the black pepper on here. Then we're going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. World famous. Okay, folks, after 50 minutes of cooking at 204 degrees Celsius or about 400 Fahrenheit, we have our finished product. Now we're going to just put some parsley on here. And there you have it. Enjoy it with some French bread.